jerk pork and some jerk chicken and rice and peas. Let's dig in.
Damn.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
We are back in New York City, but we are already missing the West Indies. We are already missing Jamaica. So today we are trying to get a little taste of the island here on the Upper West Side. But let's see if the food is actually good. And let's see if the food is really authentic. But I will let my wife be the judge of that because she is actually Jamaican.
Yes, I was actually born in Mandeville, Jamaica, and I grew up in St. Elizabeth for a little bit before I moved to the United States. So food has been tied to a major part of the culture. I just remember my mom cooking rice and peas and chicken on Sundays, which was like just so delicious, and everyone sitting around and eating, and the neighbors coming over and like eating our food too. And looking forward to see what we get here.
Yeah, so let's go. We are heading to a Jamrock right now, which is apparently one of the only Jamaican food trucks here that have actually licensed to have an open fire. So the jerk chicken should be actually pretty good, and if they have some jerk pork, we will try that too.
Oh, I think this is going to be good. I have high expectation for this place already. I love food, especially jerk chicken that is cooked on an open flame. I think it gives the food so much flavor, the aroma, and I think that's just going to bring the authenticity.
And I already see the food truck over there. Hey boss, how are you? Hi, can we get an order of the jerk chicken? Yeah, one order of the jerk pork.
Wait, do you want it with rice and peas or?
Does it come this way? Oh, it comes, yeah.
Oh, it comes with it.
Then one jerk chicken, one jerk pork.
And then
One jerk chicken and one jerk pork.
And there's the fire, there's the oven. We just got our food, my love. You want to show the bag? So, yeah, we will reveal in a second how it looks. We are going to Central Park to actually do the big taste test. And my wife, my beautiful wife, she will actually tell us if the food tastes authentic.
Yes.
I have been to the island myself a few times now and know how the food tastes there.
Yeah.
But nonetheless, I would not consider myself an expert, but she did pull up there, and yeah, so.
Yes, I'm the expert here. I am looking for something that's really, really, really authentic. When I say authentic, I mean bold flavors, spicy, well seasoned to the bone.
Tell me a little bit, how was it growing up in Jamaica? What did you eat the mostly?
Actually, I had a very fun childhood growing up there. It was very family oriented, like we all play with the neighbors' children. It's not like how it is today where people are kind of a little bit, to themselves. Things were a little bit different. And also I was born in Mandeville, but I grew up in St. Elizabeth. So St. Elizabeth has like a different aura versus Mandeville, Manchester. So I don't know. In both places people are nice, but St. Elizabeth people are a little bit more down to earth in my opinion.
We have arrived at Central Park. So we found a place here at Central Park. What do you have, my love?
We have some jerk chicken and rice and peas and plantains with some salad on the side. For our second meal, we have jerk pork with rice and peas and plantains and also some salad on the side. And to drink, we have 2 mango lemonade drinks here. So let's dig in. I like it when it's burnt a little bit, so let's see. Actually, this is exactly how I like it. I could taste like it's really, really well seasoned. And also it's a little juicy, but I could taste like the chartness from the grill or wherever I think it's grilled, because it has that grilled flavor to it. I must say this is really good so far. The jerk pork is really good. I'm not a pork person, but I taste it anyway.
So how is it, my lovey? You enjoying it? How's the chicken, jerk chicken?
For me, I must say this is probably my favorite place that I've ever had Jamaican food.
That means
I'm
something.
really picky, people. So,
I never heard that saying before. She always told me like we will never get the same good food like in Jamaica, but it's good or what?
this is really, really good. Rice and peas has so much flavor. It kind of reminds me of my mom's cooking, and my mom cooks really,
You're saying
really good.
the rice and peas are good? Let me see. I love rice and peas. So
It's really good. This reminds me of when I lived in Jamaica and we used to have dinners on Sundays.
this rice and peas is very good.
Really good. We used to have dinners on Sundays and everyone would sit out and eat. And honestly, this food brings back so much memories. It's very nostalgic. And that doesn't happen a lot for me because I feel like you will go to places and it says it's Jamaican, but it doesn't taste like Jamaican food in my opinion. I'm like, oh, something is really missing.
But this is actually hitting the spot here.
So good.
The jerk pork, like the plantains are cooked perfectly. The rice and peas actually has some, I'm not sure if it's a jerk sauce or something over it, over the rice
No,
and
it's
peas.
gravy.
Or the gravy, but it makes it a little spicy almost.
But it's good.
And the jerk chicken,
Jerk chicken is really good. Let's taste the salad here. So good. Oh my god, I feel so happy.
unfortunately it's New York City, so they're not allowed to sell you Red Stripe or rum and coke on the street. I need to try that jerk chicken, it looks very good. Trying to dig in here. Get like an outside piece with some white meat on it. Look at that goodness. Damn,
It's really good.
it's good.
Yeah.
That's juicy chicken.
Not overly spicy, so you can actually enjoy your food. This is really good. Oh my god. Am I the only person that likes the bony part of the chicken that has like all the bones? That's like so me. It's so good. Look how beautiful that looks. But not only does it look beautiful, it tastes good as well. And if you're someone who can handle spice, this is not too spicy, to be very honest. I like my food a little bit more spicier, but there's a kick there, so I feel like you're not really missing out on much, and it's enjoyable. And may I say their utensils is pretty decent. It's not like the cheap, flimsy one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
see that? So my love, what do you think? How is the food? What do you think? Is it good food? Is it authentic? Is it worth the price? And would you be returning as a Jamaican?
I think the food is absolutely delicious. Does it taste authentic? Yes, it does taste authentic. Obviously, it's not going to taste as authentic as cooking jerk chicken with pimento wood, where you get that smoky flavor, because I don't think they have that here, right? However, it's very close in proximity to that. So the food for me is really, really good. I think the portion size is very generous. From a cost perspective, it's okay. It's not cheap, obviously, because we paid $50 for 2 meals. However, if we were supposed to order on Uber Eats, it would be way more than this, I would say, because delivery fees and all that.
Oh yeah,
So
absolutely.
the fact that we actually
And
went
we're
there.
in New York City, don't
And
forget
yes,
that.
we're in New York City. It is not cheap to live in New York.
And food is more expensive when you go to Chicago or other cities.
Yeah.
or maybe smaller cities, you might even get it a little bit cheaper. But certainly the price might be a little bit more expensive always than it is in Jamaica.
Absolutely. So yes, would I be returning? Absolutely. I think it doesn't get better than this, given that I'm not on the island. So for me, I would say huge thumbs up to Jamrock. Food is absolutely delicious. And that's the final verdict.
And that's the final verdict. So when you're ever in New York City, you're craving some Jamaican food, stop by Jamrock, that food truck. There's one located here on the Upper West Side. That's the one where we stopped by. But they also have a location in Brooklyn, I believe, and I believe another food truck. But they are certainly worse to taste when you're in New York City and you're craving some good Jamaican food. It tasted like almost being on the island.
Yes.
Just maybe it's not as warm, and I'm missing the palm trees, and and people are driving on the wrong side here when you see it from a Jamaican perspective. Yeah, that was it from us here from Central Park and the Jamrock food truck review with my wife being the judge. And I just want to say, please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can support us by just subscribing and maybe checking out one of our newer videos.
Yes, and leave a comment in the section and let us know what videos you would like to see from us next.
Until then,
Until then,
auf Wiedersehen.
see you soon.
Later.